It's Melanie, and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. Okay, you guys, so now I want to share with you all some projects that you can DIY using the Cricut Maker. If you are a DIY bride or an event planner, or just someone who likes to personalize gifts around your home, or do some home decor, you will definitely find these projects useful. Now, I'm going to share with you a few projects from a wedding that I recently decorated. For some reason, I did not get them in my original footage, but I'm kind of glad because now I get to just kind of showcase each one of those projects to you guys now. I want to preface all this by saying that I did not do these particular projects for this wedding. The bride had a sister named Ashley that was just incredible with the Cricut. She taught me a lot about my Cricut Maker, and I made like 3 or 4 projects in one day within like a half hour just from her quick tutorial. And I want to share with you guys some of the projects that we included from the Cricut Maker in the wedding. They were so classy, so elegant, and so timeless. So the first thing I want to share with you guys is the agenda stand. So this agenda stand is made on acrylic. The back of it was painted white, and on the front she had the agenda printed on the front, or not printed, but she placed the agenda on the front with the ceremony time, dinner time, cake cutting, first dances, sparkler send-off, and then for the party to start. And I just thought that was so super cute, and I want to share with you guys like how you can upgrade this sign by putting like a floral centerpiece right here. We'll do that together in just a moment, but I just thought that was a super cute sign. I also wanted to share some really cute other signage. This one says, "Oh snap, help us capture the love, Simpson Squared." And it also had their Facebook and Instagram, and that's the hashtag they wanted all of the guests to use for their wedding so that they could easily locate their wedding photos. And I just thought that was super cute. We placed this on the table as they entered into the reception area. For the ceremony, they had this unplugged sign, and it says, "We're going unplugged during our ceremony. Please put your cameras and phones away. We promise to share the moments of our big day." And so I just thought that was incredibly cute, and it just really went over well. And then this final one was for the favor. I can definitely use this again. And this final one was for the favors. I could definitely use this again. And it says, "Please take a favor. Thanks for coming." And I could easily take the vinyl off the bottom of that one and put it in like the next thing. So let's do this because my OCD. There we go. So these were all of the incredible signs that were created for the wedding using the Cricut Maker. So I would love to know, what type of signage would you use or would you create using the Cricut Maker? Down in the comments below. Let me bring over the agenda. Another thing that I love about the Cricut Maker is when you're doing these DIY projects, you can ensure that everything is consistent. In terms of the font that's used, the actual vinyl that's used, the consistency is everything. And I think her dad made the sign holders. I got these a while back at Hobby Lobby for a paint party. So I think they make great sign holders as well. Hi you guys, it's Melanie, and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. Well, in today's video, we are going to do a floral piece right here at the top of this sign for a wedding. And I'm just going to use some leftover greenery from a wedding that I recently had and some faux silk hydrangeas to create this, kind of like a swag here from for a welcome sign or whatever. This is an agenda sign, but you can definitely put it on your welcome sign or whatever the case may be. But for the purpose of today's video, I'm just going to use what I have and we're going to see what we can create. I'm going to use some dry foam, and the reason I'm using dry foam on it is because if I zip tied the wet foam, then I would probably risk it breaking. And so I'm going to use dry, but I'm going to make sure that the flowers are properly hydrated. They have been in water since Sunday, so I'm pretty sure they are properly hydrated. And then I'm going to mix the fresh greenery with the faux hydrangeas, because flower prices are just incredibly insane right now. And so this is a hack that I just want to share with you guys and show you really quickly how to do it.
Oh, we're living in the present, but our mind is in the past, not knowing what we'll lose, don't know what will last, yeah, the things you always dare to dream, oh, are not always what they seem. Close to total peace as the pain begins to ease. Not often we can see the beauty in the pain.
So I want to show you guys exactly what I'm working with. Like, this is the only greenery that I have. And I have these faux flowers. So this is it, okay? So I just want to share that with you guys so you're not thinking I have like this abundance of supplies. I'm literally creating this off the top of my head, like literally, with very, very limited supplies.
Not often we can see the value that we gain. Now listen, little one, the wounds will heal in time. I know it weighs a ton, but baby, you'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine. Start living for the moment, letting go of the past, yeah. Start cherishing what you hold dear, and we will make it last. Not often we can see the beauty in the pain. Not often we can see the value that we gain. Now listen, little one, the wounds will heal in time. I know it weighs a ton, but baby, you'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine, fine. Hey, you'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine, fine. Baby, you'll be fine.
So I hope that you guys enjoyed the quick tutorial. If I had some more greenery, I would definitely fill it in a little bit more at the bottom and around the top, or move the top pieces to the side, who knows. But anyway, I just wanted to give you guys an idea on how to create a floral swag for your wedding decor and signs. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers.